Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, the 8th Finance Commission was appointed by the President on 20th June 1982. Stop. The Commission submitted its interim report on 14th November 1983 and certain recommendations were made therein. Stop. The Commission submitted its final report on 30th April 1984. Although Parliament was in session, these recommendations were not placed before Parliament. Stop. They should have given a broad outline of the recommendations of the Commission and government's view on them. Stop. But this has not been done. Stop. The 8th Finance Commission has made a specific recommendation that with the commencement of the financial year 1985-86, the surcharge on income tax be withdrawn and the basic rates of income tax suitably adjusted. Stop. If this is done, it would result in additional resources to the states, as the Commission has recommended that even after the withdrawal of the surcharge and adjustment of income tax, the state's share in the divisible pool should remain at 85%. Stop. Unfortunately, this part of the recommendation was not accepted by the government. Stop. The financial year 1985-86 is far away. Stop. We are going ahead with the preparations for the 7th plan. Stop. Therefore, it is necessary, and I would request the Government of India to reconsider and accept the recommendations of the 8th Finance Commission. Stop. Sir, the 8th Finance Commission has observed as follows in regard to corporation tax. Stop. I quote. Stop. As regards the corporation tax, the grievance of the states is even stronger. The 6th Finance Commission had suggested a review of the question by the National Development Council, and the 7th Finance Commission had also suggested that the Centre may consider holding consultations with the states in order to settle it finally. Stop. We do, however, think that a further review of the matter is overdue, and it is important to remove this major irritant in center-state relations. Stop. Corporation tax has shown a high elasticity, and it would only seem fair that the states should also have access to such a source of revenue. Stop. This is the observation made by the 8th Finance Commission, but unfortunately this has not been accepted by the government. Stop. The most elastic source of revenue is union excise duties. Stop. The 7th Finance Commission has recommended a step up from 20% to 40%, which has given substantial additional resources to the state's stock.